Hi, I'm Megan and welcome to the Falkon SMS tutorial for Microsoft Teams. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how Falkon SMS works right inside of Microsoft Teams so you can text using your existing phone numbers without ever leaving your workspace. Whether you're maintaining internal staff notifications, appointment reminders, or just customer support, this integration has everything you need in one place. Let's get started. With Falkon SMS integrated into Microsoft Teams, you can send and receive text messages directly through your Teams interface. There's no need to switch between platforms or juggle multiple tabs. The integration makes every text message part of your existing Teams workflow, so when you're chatting with coworkers or clients, it all happens in one familiar place. It couldn't be easier to get Falkon SMS started on Microsoft Teams. Go to the Apps section on Microsoft Teams and search for Falkon SMS. Once you find it, click Download and Install. After installation, Falkon SMS will appear in your Teams sidebar. So for easy access, make sure to pin it to your toolbar now and it stays right where you need it. From there, it's similar to how you can view Falkon SMS anywhere else. You can open your inbox, view your contacts, and use all of our features, but now it's built right into Teams. Incoming messages trigger real-time notifications on the Falkon channel, so you'll never miss a new text even when you're logged out of Falkon SMS. All messages are automatically shown within the dashboard, keeping your communication history on Falkon easily viewable. To send a text, simply open a conversation, type your message, and hit send, just like how you would in Teams chat. You can even use emojis, MMS attachments, and tags like their first name to personalize each message. The shared inbox allows multiple teammates to view and respond on the same number. If someone replies to a message, everyone on that phone number sees it, ensuring your team stays aligned and customers never receive duplicate responses. You can also reassign conversations to another phone number and leave internal comments on the transfer. This is great when another team member or phone number is better suited to continue the conversation and helps make internal handoffs smooth and customer replies consistent. Templates and scheduled messages are of course fully accessible within the Teams integration as well. Quickly insert a templated message, personalize with tags, and send instantly, or even schedule it for later. If your team uses automation rules like our automatic responses or keyword triggers, those can still be edited in the Microsoft Teams version and your workflows are easily manageable. Falkon AI is built into the experience. You can rewrite a message to sound more professional, casual, or concise with our toolbar, or even translate it into another language before sending out. AI suggestions appear to the right of your incoming messages. The AI can be trained on your business, giving suggested replies that are polished and business specific. Security and compliance are just as strong within Teams as in the standalone platform. That means end-to-end encrypted messaging, HIPAA compliance, and the ability to send secure files directly from the Teams interface, meaning everything remains logged and protected. Well, that's a quick overview of Falkon SMS within Microsoft Teams. This integration is designed to save time, stay connected, and deliver faster responses, all in the same place you guys are already using every day. If you'd like a full demo experience or to learn more by an in-depth tutorial, you can visit our YouTube channel or our website linked below. Thank you for watching and welcome to a smarter way to text with Microsoft Teams and Falkon SMS.